Namaskar, welcome to Dream Academy. Today we are going to learn the three trigonometric identities which are very easy to memorize at the time of calculating the trigonometric identities. We know algebraic identities very well. Now to solve the trigonometric identities, we are taking the main methods of algebraic identities. But we cannot memorize where we use these three important trigonometric identities. We know one of them is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. It is very used to memorize at the time of trigonometric identities. Now we are preparing a short videos on memorize the three trigonometric important identities. Number one, we are know about the Pythagoras theorem. Very important Pythagoras theorem for any right angle triangle is perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. From this Pythagoras theorem, we can derive the three identities of trigonometry which will help us to solve all the trigonometric identical proofs. Number one, we are saying about Pythagoras theorem, that is perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. We know it very well. Now we are divided this equation by hypotenuse square. What we are doing? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, the whole square plus base by hypotenuse whole square equals to hypotenuse by hypotenuse, the whole square. What I am saying? We are divide the equation by hypotenuse, only by hypotenuse. Then what we can say? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular by hypotenuse? That is sin theta. So perpendicular by hypotenuse whole square equal to sin theta whole square, sin square theta. Same base by hypotenuse is cos theta, that is cos square theta. Then hypotenuse by hypotenuse is 1, that is 1 square, that is 1. This is the first identity. It is very easy to calculate. So this is very important identities for trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. আমরা মনে রাখতে পারবো খুব সহজেই sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now we are going to second identities. Then this Pythagoras theorem we are dividing by base. Then what we can write? Perpendicular by base whole square plus base by base whole square equals to hypotenuse by base তার whole square. What we are calculating? Perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular by base? Tan theta. Yes, tan square theta. Plus base by base is 1, that is 1 square equal to 1. Hypotenuse by base equal to base by hypotenuse. If it is cosec theta, cos theta, then hypotenuse by base equal to, yes, sec theta. That is sec square theta. This is the second identity. Is it not very easy? Then the second identity is tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. And it is very easy when we are calculating trigonometric identity, the proving, that is tan square theta minus sec square theta equal to 1. Why I am telling tan square theta minus sec square theta equal to 1? Because we know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then we can say tan theta plus sec theta into tan theta minus sec theta equals to 1. It will be very important identities for trigonometric identities. And the third identity is how we can go. Yes, already you are recognize what I am going to say, that is perpendicular by base, perpendicular whole square plus base by perpendicular whole square equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular whole square. Just we are dividing perpendicular, bi-perpendicular on the each side of the equation. What we are doing? Perpendicular by perpendicular, that is 1. Base by perpendicular, that is cot theta, that is cot square theta, equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular, cosec square theta. This is the third identity. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. We will never forget it. Okay? This is the 3 identities which will help you at the time of trigonometric identities. Now try it. Just these 3 identities is this class. Okay?